Hello, and welcome to our series of instructional videos of how to load the goddamn dishwasher. Welcome to installment 1. Roz.
How do we load bowls into the dishwasher correctly?
Let's take a look at an example. Here you can see a clean load of stuff that's been through the dishwasher. If I just move that up there, you can see that this bowl has been placed face down on top of another bowl. Okay, now this bowl, it's clean, it's worked. This bowl was on top, it's filthy, it's dirty, you little pig. So, unfortunately, it wasn't able to get the water from the sprayer to do the cleaning action. That was the problem. Place it next to it, like this. Sprayer will hit the bowl, it will be clean when you need it for breakfast time. Alright?